practical kitchen design is winning recipe to 2008 Homebuyers. Open shelving, gleaming granite countertops and glass doors on refrigerators are the rage in kitchen design today. But these looks don't fool many who have interacted with them. Homebuyers in 2006 look for practical design options to make their time in the kitchen more leisure and lower day-to-day maintenance. Mark Nash, author of 1001 Tips for Buying and Selling a Home, 2005, shares tips for efficient kitchen design that for home chefs. Homebuyers have told Nash what works and what doesn't in the lives of today's fast-paced, time-starved home gourmets, holiday bakers and occasional cooks. Those looking to build, update or remodel a kitchen could save time and money based on feedback from field-tested homebuyers. Fingers and pets easily soil and scratch stainless steel finishes. For an alternative, use matching cabinet panels on appliances for a custom look or black appliances with black-colored countertops. Research traditional upright refrigerator options such as built-in separate refrigerated and freezer drawers.